Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. And so now we will tell you all the news about the Cardano cryptocurrency. A pullback or a rally. This is where Cardano can go next. Swiss cryptocurrency ADA witnessed a surge of nearly 100% within 7 days in early February 2021. However, post-August, investors' interest seems to have waned a little. Curiously, after February 2022, the coin has been siding with the bulls. In fact, according to a couple of on-chain metrics, there are convincing arguments that Cardano could be a good asset to buy for a bull run as a longer-term investment. However, it's important to note that the short-term outlook for Cardano was bearish. After it failed to breach $1 in the past couple of days, ADA slipped back beneath the $0.9 mark. Furthermore, it could see a further downside as the price searched for demand. Interestingly, in the past 24 hours, the open interest behind Cardano has fallen in the markets, alongside the price itself. This suggested that the short-term bearishness could be a pullback, rather than a strong downward move. As the charts show, the price breached $0.925.95 in late February, and the bulls were encouraged when ADA flipped 95 cents from resistance to support. However, just as Bitcoin itself faced some resistance near $45,200, so too did ADA at $1. Sellers were quite strong above 98 cents, and the price was decisively rejected and subsequently forced back beneath 95 cents and $0.925. The 24 hours that preceded press time saw ADA lose 7.4% and flip $0.925 to resistance. To the south, the $0.81784 area, cyan box, could be revisited in search of demand. The RSI has been trending lower down the chart since the rejection at $1 and stood at 30.98 at the time of writing, which was on the verge of oversold. This by itself does not mean the price will soon see a bounce. Alongside the RSI, the Awesome Oscillator also showed that bearish momentum has been strengthening in the past couple of days. The OBV has also steadily slipped lower down the charts. Conclusion: the price action and the indicators painted a bearish picture for Cardano. Another drop amounting to nearly 5% would see ADA within the 84 cents region marked on the charts, while the $0.84 area could turn out to be a buying opportunity. Risk-averse buyers might need to sit this one out. The near-term market structure has flipped to bearish once more, and buying at 84 cents would be a contrarian trade and not a trend-following trade. Let's move on to the next news. For instance, the TVL locked in Ethereum projects is typically measured in Ether United States dollars. Kusama, it's worth noting, is a pre-production environment for the Polkadot network that allows developers to experiment and test new blockchains or applications before releasing them on the main network. Cardano's first usable DeFi application was launched back in January, after it launched through an under-the-radar offering. The platform, MuesliSwap, has seen its total value locked since grow to $12.5 million. Ahead of it comes Meld, with over $68 million in TVL. Leading Cardano's DeFi ecosystem is SundaSwap, a native, scalable decentralized exchange and automated liquidity provision protocol that is backed by Fund, Alameda Research, a quantitative cryptocurrency trading firm and liquidity provider founded by FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, and Double P Group. Behind it is MinSwap, a decentralized exchange that saw its total value lock jump 400% in a week after it launched, and now has $94 million locked on it. Earlier this month, Charles Hoskinson, co-founder and CEO of IO Global, the company responsible for Cardano's research and development, suggested we ain't seen nothing yet when it comes to TVL on Cardano, as several projects are waiting for the Vassal Hard Fork Combinator (HFC) event, which is expected to take place in June. As reported, the number of addresses holding ADA for the long term has grown by 32.1% last month to 408,000, after growing by 10.9% in January and 5.78% in December, suggesting hodlers keep on accumulating the cryptocurrency. According to CryptoCompare's latest asset report, the number of addresses holding ADA grew 5.9% to a new all-time high in February, largely thanks to a rise in long-term holders, and a 13.4% rise in cruisers, which went up to 3.62 million addresses. The number of traders on the network dropped 25.2% to 770,000. So next news. Amid underwhelming Cardano price, Hoskinson predicts huge TVL boost as Trezor Suite adds support for $ADA. In a recent tweet, Hoskinson, while acknowledging the expeditiously expanding Cardano ecosystem, stated that the network is poised to see even more projects launched this year. Specifically, the influx will peak after the blockchain's planned upgrade in June, the Vassal Hard Fork. Hoskinson was responding to a tweet that highlighted the 500 projects currently building on Cardano. The post noted that the majority, 34.7%, of current projects preparing to launch were NFT projects. The Vassal Hard Fork, named after the now late Cardano ambassador Vassal Dabov, will usher in scaling enhancements for DeFi, DEXs, and smart contracts. The Hard Fork will be the second of 3 planned upgrades this year. The first has already taken place through a code drop, and the final schedule is for October. Cardano's development arm, Input-Output Global. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concepts. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end